Hello and welcome to this tutorial on brightening face masks. In this video, we will be showing you how to make 9 different face masks that are perfect for brightening and rejuvenating your skin. Before we begin, it's important to note that everyone's skin is different and what works for one person may not work for another. So, if you have any allergies or sensitivities, please make sure to do a patch test before applying any of these masks to your face. Honey Face Mask. First up, we have honey mask. Honey is a natural humectant that helps to hydrate the skin. To make this mask, you'll need 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 tablespoon of raw honey, 2 teaspoons of milk. Mix all ingredients well till it becomes a paste. Apply on a dry face and leave for 10 minutes. Then wash it thoroughly with water. Enjoy glowing, hydrated, smooth skin with an even tone. Avoid leaving overnight as turmeric has a tendency to leave a stain, especially if you have lighter skin. Avocado and honey face mask. Next, we have the avocado and honey mask. Avocados are an excellent source of vitamins E and C, both of which play a key role in the health and vitality of your skin. To make this mask, you'll need 1 ripe avocado, 2 tablespoons of yogurt, 1 teaspoon of honey. Place yogurt, avocado pulp, and honey in a bowl. Blend into a paste using a handheld blender or a fork. It is better to use this mask immediately after making. First, warm your skin with a warm, damp face cloth for 20 seconds to open up your pores. Then apply the mask evenly on your face using your fingers or a brush, avoiding the eye area. Leave it on for 15 minutes and then rinse thoroughly with warm water. Pat your face dry and follow with moisturizer. You may add a few drops of lemon juice for additional hydration or finely ground oatmeal for exfoliation. Kalonji Face Mask. You can get rid of skin diseases using a Kalonji powder mask, which is very simple and easy to make. Another variation of this mask will help you brighten your skin. To make this mask, you will need 1 tablespoon of raw milk, 1 tablespoon of black seeds powder. Mix both ingredients well. Then spread the paste on your skin. Wash off with cold water after 15 minutes. This mask can do wonders for your skin as it will brighten your face, even out your skin tone, and hydrate your skin at the cellular level. Black seeds and black seed oil can also be applied directly on your face and hair and can also be used to fight many ailments and improve your health. Orange Face Mask. Orange peel powder is a natural exfoliator that helps remove dead cells from the skin's surface and regenerate new cells. The presence of citric acid in oranges helps to dry acne and control oil. It does this by unclogging the pores and cleaning the dirt and debris from your face. To make this mask, you will need 2 to 3 tablespoons of orange peel powder, 2 tablespoons of coconut milk, 2 tablespoons of sugar. Orange peel is best used in powder form. You can easily make it at home by leaving the orange peel to dry in the sun for 2 to 3 hours and then grinding it. To make this mask, add 2 to 3 tablespoons of orange peel powder in a bowl and mix 2 tablespoons of sugar and coconut milk to make a thick paste. Apply this paste gently on your face. Wash off after 15 minutes. This face pack is also suitable for people with acne and oily skin. Rice Face Mask. The incredible benefits of rice for the skin are many. from treating eczema, skin lesions, lightening dark spots, and many other benefits. To make this mask, you will need 100 grams of rice, half tablespoon of gram flour, 1 tablespoon of curd. Grind the rice. Add curd and gram flour and make a paste. Apply it to your face with a brush and let it dry. Wash your face gently with water after 15 minutes. Rice water is rich in antioxidants and minerals which may reduce or slow down the skin aging process. Turmeric face mask. To make this mask, you will need a small amount of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of milk, 1 teaspoon of honey. Mix the turmeric powder, milk, and honey in a bowl. Apply this on your face and let it sit for 10 minutes. Rinse off and moisturize. This face pack is a very good option for dry skin. Tomato and lemon face mask. Lemon juice is rich in vitamin C and helps to brighten the complexion. To make this mask, you will need 1 teaspoon of tomato pulp, 3 to 4 drops of lemon juice. Mix the lemon juice and tomato pulp. Apply this pack to the affected areas of your face. Let it dry for 10 to 12 minutes before rinsing with lukewarm water. Pat your skin dry and moisturize. Use lemon juice sparingly as it can cause a burning sensation when used in excess. Tomato and banana mask. Anecdotal evidence suggests that bananas help reduce hyperpigmentation and dark spots. It can also nourish and moisturize your skin. Along with tomatoes, it helps to brighten your skin and reduce the aging signs. To make this mask, you will need 1 to 2 tablespoons of tomato pulp, 2 tablespoons of mashed bananas. Mix the banana and tomato pulp. Apply this mixture to your face. Keep it on for 20 minutes and wash with lukewarm water. Repeat this twice a week. Beetroot face mask. Finally, we have the beetroot face mask. Beetroot is rich in nitrates, which can help to increase blood flow and oxygenation to your skin, resulting in a healthy and radiant complexion. To make this mask, you will need 2 teaspoons of beetroot juice, 1 teaspoon of yogurt, 1 teaspoon of lime juice, 2 teaspoons of gram flour. Squeeze the juice from the grated beetroots and collect them in a small bowl. Add fuller's earth or gram flour, yogurt, and lime juice to the bowl. Mix the contents into a smooth paste. Proceed to spread it evenly over the face and leave it on for 15 minutes. Rinse it off with lukewarm water. Pat your face dry. You will notice an immediate pink glow and radiant skin. Use this face pack 5 to 7 times to get that flawless skin you wanted. And that's it. These 9 masks are great for brightening and rejuvenating your skin, and they're easy to make with ingredients you probably already have in your kitchen. Thanks for watching and don't forget to like, share and subscribe.